everyone, it's Pat from Seattle Coffee Gear, and today it's finally here. We know you've been excited to see what we've had cooking up. If you've seen any of our teaser videos about what we've got dropping today on November 4th, I'm really excited to share that we have the Mazarine Diletta Bellow. So if you're familiar with the Diletta Bellow, then you already know how exciting this is to us. This machine is one that we've worked really closely with the engineers on to produce. And this Mazarine edition is even more exciting than any other bellow that we've put out in the past. It's named for the Mazarine butterfly that it kind of shares a color with, this gorgeous blue color. And it just kind of is a piece that represents our connection to coffee and the natural world. This machine adopts some of the eco mode features that you'll find in the Diletta Mio. So it's going to have a lower energy footprint and be a little bit more environmentally friendly. With that eco mode, it brings the footprint of this machine down a little bit in terms of its impact as well. So you're going to get to be able to make really great coffee, make really great lattes with your milk steaming, and in a way that's a little more environmentally friendly than similar machines. It's got this beautiful color scheme that reminded us of nature and of the, like I said, the Mazarine butterfly in particular. And then one of the stars of this show, if you've never seen one of these machines before, is that we've swapped out from the standard bellow controls. We have these beautiful wood controls and wood portafilter handle on the portafilter from St. Anthony Industries. So St. Anthony uses reclaimed wood for their products, and they hand spin them, which goes really great with the handmade process for the Diletta Bellow. This collaboration came because we're really excited about St. Anthony's products. We're really excited about working on Diletta, and so we were able to put the two together to really bring about a collaboration that is something that we're passionate about, that we've had input on every step of the way, that adds a little bit of environmental friendliness to a machine that we already really love and just gives you this gorgeous new look and feel. So again, if you've not seen the Bellow before, this is a heat exchanger, semi-automatic espresso machine. This machine is going to give you the ability to make that cafe quality shot right at home, which is something that you can strive for with machines that are a little bit lower on the price scale, that aren't quite as professional as this machine. But with this machine, you're gonna be able to do that right out of the box, and you're gonna get that incredible temperature stability and coffee quality that you would expect to find if you went to your local cafe. And like I said, because it's a heat exchanger, you're gonna be able to brew and steam at the same time. So you can also get that workflow down, and you're gonna be able to make your latte or other milk drink with the kind of speed that you would find in a professional setting as well, which is really exciting for espresso enthusiasts at home. The build quality on these machines is incredible. They're machines that are built to last for decades. So as long as you maintain this machine, it's gonna last you a really long time. And then the blue colors are just really beautiful on it. The other aesthetic stuff on it that's great that kind of crosses over into your use cases are things like, this really great gauge down here and the really tactile controls that you're gonna be able to get really, really responsive control on your steaming and your hot water, which is really great, and on the brew process itself. This machine is also an E61 group machine, which, if you're not familiar, this is actually a heated group head here that water moves through. So it's gonna maintain your temperatures all the way through the brewing process, from the boiler through the group head and into the espresso and into the portafilter, which we've got one here as it comes in the package. But these are just really beautiful portafilters. St. Anthony's did a really great job with these portafilters, and it's got a really great look and feel to go with the rest of the machine. So if you're shopping for an espresso machine, this is one that we're extremely excited about. A thing to note here is that this is going to be a very limited edition machine. So because St. Anthony's uses reclaimed wood in their processes, and just because of the nature of the design and build of this machine, it's only going to be available for a limited time. So we're expecting that it'll be pretty difficult to get a hold of. So make sure that you head over and check it out, get yours ordered. This is going to be a great machine for anybody who wants to jump into espresso a little bit on the higher end, and especially great for anybody who's already been working with an espresso machine at home and wants something that's going to potentially be their last espresso machine and going to last a really, really long time. So hope you enjoyed, hope you're as excited as we are about this. I know we've been planning this release for a while and teasing it for a while, and we couldn't be happier with how it turned out. Thanks so much for checking out the video. I hope that you go and check out the machine. If you did like the video, be sure to hit the like button below. Drop a comment if you have any questions about the bellow, and if you have any questions about the Mazarine bellow in particular. Get subscribed for more videos, and make sure that you're following us on Instagram and TikTok. We're doing a bunch of cool product stuff in the future like this on those platforms as well. So you'll be able to stay up to date on all of our machines for all of our kind of limited edition releases. Thanks so much for watching.
Yes.